cold night. Lying next to you almost made it feel alright. And when we talked, hours just flew by. I told you all about my life. At one point, I even cried. It's all in your eyes. I still need some time before we burn each other up, before we lose our mind, before I'm not enough for you. Baby, I need some time before you break my heart. Oh, before we need to talk, before it even starts. I mean, I'm sorry I didn't call. I was lost and found, like a lonely glove nobody cares about. But you saw something worth having. You picked me up, tugged on my heartstrings, but I'm still cold inside. Maybe we could try somewhere down the line, but I still need some time before we burn each other up, before we lose our mind, before I'm not enough for you. Baby, I need some time before you break my heart. Oh, before we need to talk, before it even starts. What I'm saying is, I'm sorry I didn't call. I'm sorry I didn't call. I am just a ghost trying to stay alive. Still I'm holding on to another life. You heard me howling, you said let's take it slow, but I'm still fighting. I can't seem to let her go, though I can see the light. It only hurts my eyes right now. I don't wanna lie. I still need some time.